Imagine a world where machines write the code for our software, websites, and apps. This is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's rapidly becoming a reality. Artificial intelligence is making significant strides in the field of coding, capable of generating complex code with remarkable speed and accuracy. While this technology is still in its early stages, it has already sparked debate and, for some, concern about the future of human programmers. The emergence of AI coders has led many to question whether machines will eventually replace human programmers altogether. This fear is understandable, given AI's proven ability to automate tasks previously thought to require human intelligence. However, it is crucial to approach this topic with a balanced perspective, considering both the potential benefits and drawbacks of this transformative technology. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the world of AI coding, exploring its capabilities, advantages, and potential implications for the future of programming. We will also examine the concerns of human programmers and discuss how they can adapt to this evolving landscape. Join us as we unravel the complexities of AI coding and its impact on the future of technology. AI coding tools are revolutionizing software development. These tools use sophisticated algorithms to generate code, automating tasks once done by humans. AI coding speed is a significant advantage. It can analyze vast data and generate code quickly, reducing development time. This efficiency lowers costs and speeds up software delivery. AI tools also improve code accuracy and quality. Learning from large data sets, AI can correct errors, ensuring higher code quality. This results in fewer bugs and better user experience. AI assists programmers by suggesting code snippets and automating tasks. This allows programmers to focus on complex and creative aspects. AI-powered code completion tools like GitHub Copilot and Tab9 are popular. They predict and suggest code completions accurately. Analyzing code context, these tools save time and effort. As AI coding advances, expect more sophisticated tools to streamline development. The rise of AI coding has sparked concerns about job displacement among programmers. Some fear their skills will become obsolete. AI tools may automate tasks, but won't replace human programmers. AI should be seen as a tool to augment human capabilities. It can free programmers from repetitive tasks, allowing focus on creativity and problem-solving. AI is a collaborative partner, not a replacement. Programmers must adapt and embrace lifelong learning. Focus on areas where AI is less proficient, like complex problem-solving and user empathy. This ensures continued relevance in the age of AI. Leveraging AI tools will be crucial for staying competitive. The integration of AI into the programming landscape is inevitable. Rather than fearing this change, programmers should embrace the opportunities it presents. By adapting their skills and embracing AI as a powerful tool, programmers can thrive in this new era of software development. The key lies in focusing on areas where human intelligence remains paramount, such as creativity, problem-solving, and understanding the nuances of human interaction. The future of programming is not about humans versus machines, but about humans and machines working together to achieve greater heights. By embracing lifelong learning and developing a deep understanding of AI coding tools, programmers can position themselves at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the role of the human programmer. By adapting to these changes and embracing the power of AI, programmers can ensure that they remain indispensable assets in the ever-evolving world of technology. What are your thoughts on the rise of AI coders and their potential impact on the programming industry? Share your opinions and join the conversation about the future of coding in the age of AI.